So you want a sangria, right?
Yes, it's correct. I really want to a sangria.
What 3 ingredients do you want in your sangria?
Well, I want wine, some strawberries, and bananas.
Great choices. What type of wine do you prefer?
Well, I prefer strawberry wine.
Sounds delicious. Do you want any other fruits or flavors added?
Yes. Well, can you give me some example, please?
How about oranges or peaches? They add a nice touch.
Yes, of course. I really want to add that.
Got it. Do you want any sweetener or soda added?
Well, I think I really like sweetener.
Sure. Would you like some sugar or club soda in it?